If you've ever wanted to round the corners of a shape in Photoshop, this tutorial will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it in 2026. Whether you're designing buttons, cards, icons, or clean modern graphics, rounded corners can instantly make your work look more polished and professional. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tips and tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you have a vector shape layer selected in the Layers panel. This is important because the corner controls only appear when you're working with a shape layer, not a regular image layer. If you're not sure which layer you're on, just click the shape layer you want to edit so it becomes active. Next, go up to the menu bar and open the Properties panel. If you can't see it on your screen, don't worry. Just go to Window, then click Properties. That will open the panel you need. The Properties panel is where Photoshop keeps a lot of the settings for shapes, and this is where we'll adjust the corner radius. Once the Properties panel is open, scroll down until you find the Corner Options section. Here, you'll see 4 boxes, and each one represents one corner of your shape. This gives you a lot of control because you can either round all corners evenly or customize each corner separately. Now look for the link icon, which may appear like a chain. This little icon determines whether all corners stay connected or can be changed individually. If the link is active, changing the value in one box will automatically update all 4 corners at the same time. That's the best option if you want a clean, consistent, rounded rectangle or a balanced design. If the link is inactive, then each corner can be adjusted on its own. That's useful if you want a more custom shape, like rounding only the top corners or creating a unique card style. So depending on your design, choose whether you want all corners linked or separated. After that, click inside the box and type your desired corner radius in pixels. For example, you could enter 30 pixels if you want a soft rounded look. You can use a smaller value for subtle curves or a larger value for more dramatic rounding. Once you type in the number, press enter or return, and Photoshop will instantly apply the change to your shape. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can round corners in Photoshop and create a cleaner, more modern design without any complicated tools or extra plugins. This method is quick, flexible, and perfect for beginner-friendly graphic design workflows. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.